Welcome to my channel. Today we will be exploring new technologies that can revolutionize our lives. SpaceX Starship. Starship is SpaceX's fully reusable spacecraft, designed for interplanetary travel, satellite launches, and more. The goal is to cut the cost of space travel by reusing both the Starship spacecraft and its Super Heavy booster. With its reusable design, both Starship and Super Heavy can return to Earth after launch, land safely, and be ready for another flight. This dramatically lowers costs, making space travel more accessible. Starship uses advanced materials like stainless steel to withstand extreme conditions. It has heat-resistant tiles for safe re-entry and powerful Raptor engines for liftoff and landing, key features for a reusable spacecraft. Starship is also highly versatile. It can carry large payloads, support human habitation, and even be used for interplanetary missions, opening up a range of possibilities for future space exploration. SpaceX plans to use Starship for long-term human missions to the Moon and Mars. With its high payload capacity, it could also support large-scale satellite deployments and help build space infrastructure like space stations or moon bases. SpaceX's Starship is a game-changer. With its innovative, reusable design, it could transform space exploration, support human missions to other planets, and make space travel more sustainable and accessible. 3D printing. (3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process that creates objects by layering materials based on a digital design. Here's what's happening right now in the world of 3D printing. (3D printing technology has made significant strides in terms of speed and scale. New printers are faster and capable of creating larger objects, allowing industries to produce complex parts more efficiently. This makes 3D printing a viable option for manufacturing, prototyping, and even construction. Early 3D printers were limited to plastic filaments, but that's changing fast. The range of printable materials has expanded to include metals, ceramics, and even biomaterials for medical applications. This opens up a world of possibilities, allowing for more diverse and durable creations. One of the most exciting areas of advancement is in healthcare. 3D printing is used to create customized prosthetics and implants, tailored to individual patients. Additionally, researchers are exploring the use of 3D printing to create biomaterials, such as tissue and bone, for medical treatments. This could lead to groundbreaking solutions in regenerative medicine. The future of 3D printing is even more intriguing. Here's what we can expect to see in the coming years. 3D printing in healthcare is set to revolutionize patient care. Customized prosthetics and implants are already being produced, but the ultimate goal is to 3D print functional organs for transplants. This could address organ shortages and reduce the risks associated with transplants, changing the landscape of medical treatments. (3D printing has the potential to transform traditional manufacturing. By enabling localized production, companies can reduce costs and minimize their carbon footprint. This could lead to more sustainable production practices, with products made closer to where they're needed. Imagine a future where you can print replacement parts or custom items right at home or in your local community. 3D printing could also play a vital role in space exploration. NASA is already experimenting with 3D printing on the International Space Station, allowing astronauts to produce tools and parts on demand. This capability could be crucial for long-duration missions, like those to the Moon or Mars, where resupplying from Earth isn't an option. It could mean the difference between success and failure in space missions. "3D printing is reshaping industries, from manufacturing to medicine to space exploration. With current advancements in printing speed, size, and materials, the technology is poised to make a significant impact in our daily lives. The future possibilities are endless, with potential applications in healthcare, manufacturing, and even beyond our planet." Neurolink and brain-computer interfaces. Neurolink, founded by Elon Musk, is leading the charge in brain-computer interface technology. But what does that mean? Essentially, Neurolink is working on creating a direct link between the human brain and digital devices. Here are the key areas where BCIs are making progress. Medical applications. One of the most exciting applications of Neuralink's technology is in the medical field. The goal is to help people with paralysis regain control over devices through thought alone. This could be life-changing for individuals who have lost mobility due to spinal cord injuries or neurological disorders. Control of devices with thought. BCIs allow users to control external devices just by thinking about it. This is a huge leap forward in assistive technology. Imagine being able to control a computer, a robotic arm, or even a wheelchair with your mind. Neuralink is working on creating these neural connections in a way that's safe and minimally invasive. Real-time brain monitoring. Neuralink's technology involves placing ultra-thin threads in the brain that can detect electrical signals. This allows for real-time monitoring of brain activity, which could be crucial for understanding brain disorders and developing new treatments. Now, let's look ahead to the potential future developments in Neuralink and brain-computer interfaces. This is where things get really interesting. Enhanced human cognition. BCIs could eventually be used to enhance human cognition. We're talking about boosting memory, improving focus, and even accelerating learning. This could revolutionize education and personal development. Direct communication and virtual reality. BCIs might also enable direct communication between people, bypassing the need for spoken or written language. Imagine being able to share thoughts instantly. This technology could also transform virtual reality, allowing for more immersive and interactive experiences. Merging with artificial general intelligence. One of the most intriguing possibilities is the idea of merging human minds with artificial general intelligence, AGI, or superintelligent systems. This could open up entirely new realms of thought and creativity, but it also raises significant ethical questions. Neuralink and brain-computer interfaces represent a new frontier in technology with the potential to change how we interact with the world around us. From medical applications that can help people with paralysis to future developments that could enhance human cognition and communication, this technology is truly revolutionary. Fusion power. Fusion power combines lightweight atoms, like hydrogen, to release a massive amount of energy, similar to what the Sun does. But replicating this process on Earth is challenging. super hot plasma must be contained to create fusion, and that's where superconducting magnets are essential. These magnets generate strong magnetic fields to keep the plasma from touching the reactor walls. Recently, high-temperature superconducting magnets have improved this containment, making fusion more feasible. Fusion reactors must handle extreme heat and radiation, so scientists are developing new, durable materials to keep them safe. This is critical for building reliable reactors that can operate for longer periods. Researchers are also enhancing plasma control and using real-time monitoring to keep reactors stable and reduce risks. These advancements bring us closer to achieving fusion that produces more energy than it consumes. The future of fusion power looks promising. If we succeed, it could change how we produce energy and help combat climate change. Here's what could happen. Fusion power could be a sustainable energy source. Unlike traditional nuclear power, fusion produces minimal waste and doesn't carry the risk of catastrophic meltdowns. If we achieve sustained fusion with a net energy gain, it could mean clean, abundant energy. The ultimate goal is to get more energy out of fusion than we put in, known as net energy gain. Several projects like ITER and Spark are working towards this. If they succeed, it could revolutionize electricity generation. Fusion uses fuel from elements like hydrogen, which are plentiful. This makes fusion nearly limitless, helping us move away from fossil fuels and towards a more sustainable energy grid. Plus, fusion doesn't produce greenhouse gases, making it a cleaner energy source. Overall, fusion power has the potential to transform energy systems. With recent advancements in superconducting magnets, new materials, and reactor safety, we're getting closer to making fusion a reality. If successful, fusion could redefine our approach to energy.